Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 12.CP.2 on writing verses. So you'll be writing a minimum of 2 verses for your song. Once again, they should be 8, 16, or 32 bars long. Once again, you will sing the lead vocals, so they must have lyrics and fit your vocal range. If you wish to have background vocals, check with other people in the class, see what's possible. All of the instrumental notes from 12.CP.1 still apply, and your verses should have similar music, but different lyrics, because that is how verses work in our standard verse-chorus form. So as you're writing, consider, how do the verse lyrics relate to and develop the main idea from the chorus? Are the verses in the same key as the chorus? Are they in the same meter? Do they have the same instrumentation? So thinking about how they exist in relation to the chorus. So let's take a look at my verses from this tune. So here's my first verse. So as a reminder, in terms of the lyrics with this, I wasn't looking for anything particularly deep. It was just kind of functional, kind of clubby music, because it was intended to be background in a play. So lyrics needed to make a little bit of sense as you were listening to them, but not that much sense or try to be particularly deep. So just having a good time out in a bar or a club or something like that. No big messages here, but let's take a listen to verse 1. So there's my first verse. I still have a keyboard part. In this case, it's on clavinet, which is an electric clavichord type of sound. Sharper, closer to a harpsichord or an older plucked keyboard sort of thing. Still have bass, still have drums. Very simple in the first half, just bass, snare, and then just hi-hat and bass in the second half. With some open and close with the hi-hat just for a little variety. And then once again, the double reeds come in the second half there. Because the melody repeats, I want something to be different in the accompaniment. So that's what's going on here. And then let's find our second verse. So very similar music, different lyrics. Cool. So again, very similar music. The main difference in the music is the bass line just gets a little more active. In terms of the harmonic progression that's going on here, still in E minor, goes to flat 7 just like the chorus, goes back to 1 just like the chorus, but then instead of going to 5, we go up to a flat 2. So we're kind of just circling around this tonic, and this flat 2 in particular gives it a bit of a Phrygian feel. Then we come back and we hit a major 1. We go back to flat 7, minor 1, and 5. So similar progression to the chorus, a little bit different with the flat 2 and then the major 1, just a few harmonic surprises there. So that's what's going on here, and I will see you next